Hi, welcome to Madras Academy. In this session, we are going to learn about remaining operators. Okay, arithmetical assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, or we can call as a unary operator, conditional assignment operator, or we can call as a ternary operator. So these are all the operators we are going to see. And how to write this operator? Arithmetical assignment operator. See here, in all the arithmetical operator, we are having equal to symbol. Okay, that is an arithmetical assignment operator. Unary operator, we have two types, increment and decrement. Defaultly, it will increment one value, decrement one value. Okay, so here we have two types, post and pre. And how to use that plus minus operator, we'll see it in a practical session. And mostly we are using this operator in looping condition. Okay, so if we need to execute the loop again and again, in that time we can use the unary operator. Okay, next, condition operator, we are having question mark and colon. In this operator, we can check the value in single line. And no need to write if else condition to check the two number. In single line, same, we can check the two value in single line. And how to use that ternary operator in our code, we'll see that. Okay, so first we'll start with the unary operator. Before writing the code, you have to check the XAMPP server whether it's running or not. So now in my system, the server is running. Okay, now I'm going to open my web page folder URL location. Okay, so see, this is the last class program. Using switch case we return. I'm going to use the same file to write the operators. Okay, operators program. So just I'm minimizing this one. And I need to open this web page folder in htdoc. Okay. In htdoc, I'm having a web page folder. Inside the same file, I'm going to use it for this class also. So just open the file in a Visual Code Editor, minimize it. And now we'll write the code in this file. Okay. These are all the previous code. So I will delete it. I will write one more code. This is for the PHP operator. Okay. And here I will write h1 tag. And first I'm going to write a unary operator. Okay. Unary operator. Okay. And we'll see the output for this unary operator. Okay. In this unary, we have two types, post increment, pre increment. Okay, I will write it here, OL tag and LI tag. Post, another one is pre. Okay, in post and pre, defaultly it will increment one value, decrement one value. Okay, so how to use this operator? Plus and minus. Okay, so like this way we have to write it, and same way here also we are having plus minus. Okay, mostly this operator we are using in looping condition. While we move on to the loop, in that time I will tell you how to use this operator in looping. Okay, just now I am going to write the unary operator simple program. Okay, so I will give the variable value if a $A 10. Okay, and I'm going to print the echo message, or else I will do it like this. Okay, I'm going to write an h4 tag. Okay, and here I will write a value is, what is the a value I given here? A value is, okay, without echo, using expression tag, I am printing the value. Okay, what is an a value? A value is 10. You need to write $, right? So otherwise it will display the error message. Okay, so A value is 10. Next, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it one more time. See, I'm going to write plus plus. Okay. If I used plus plus here, we can write dollar symbol A plus plus. Okay. Like this we will write it. And after increment the value, what is the value for the A value, we'll see. Okay. So now I will refresh it. See, if it is A plus plus, I told you, no, if I used plus plus, defaultly it will increment one value, like that I told you. But here it is not incremented. Okay, it's printing the same value as 10. Why? Because if I used A plus plus like this way, this is the post increment. Okay, post increment type. So first it will print the value. Okay, then it will increment the value. Okay, now again I'm going to use the same concept. See, here I'm using pre. So how to write a pre? We need to write plus plus. Before A we need to write plus plus. This is the way to write the plus plus operator. And after increment the value, what is the recent value for the A? We need to print it. See, and I'm continuously writing the code. Okay, I'm not given any separate value. I'm using the same value to print all the program execution. So in that time, while we refresh, see, what is the pre-increment? Plus plus A, right? So if it is plus plus A, this is a pre-increment. Okay, so defaultly one value will increment and it won't increment 10 plus 1, 11 like that. See, it's printing 12. Why it's printing 12? What is the recent value for the A variable? 11. So using this 11, it will increment one value. Okay, so now whatever the recent value we are having, using that value the program will execute next line. Okay, it won't go to the first value, that is A value is 10 like that I assigned, right? So this value will not print for the next line. Whatever the recent memory we are having, using that memory it will execute the code. Okay, so here I used plus plus format. In the same way you just try for the minus minus. Okay, if it is minus minus, how we need to write the code, we will see that. And here I am not used echo, I am using expression tag to print the value for the unary operator. Okay, and now I am having A value 10 and continuously I am going to write the arithmetical assignment operator. How to write, we will see that. Okay. In Unary, I used a H1 and here also I am going to write a H1 arithmetical assignment operator. Okay. So now I am going to write the program. And arithmetical assignment operator means what are the operators we are having? Plus plus. Here we need to write what are the operators we are having? Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiple equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to. Okay, so these are all the operators we are having. Okay, so now using that operator, how to write the code we'll see. And what is the recent value for the A variable in last line? In 21st line we returned, right? What is the recent value we got it? Here 12, right? So continuously I am using arithmetical assignment operator. Okay, so here it is 12 and what I am going to do it here, that is A plus equal to 15. Okay, like that I am going to calculate it. And here we will write dollar symbol A plus equal to 15. Okay, so what is the recent value for the A variable? We will see that. Okay, 12 plus equal to 15. Okay, 27. The recent value is 27. Okay, So now again continuously I'm going to write into equal to 2. Okay. So here I'm going to write multiplication equal to 2. Okay. So after that I'm going to print the a value also. Okay. And after multiple of two number, see, I'm getting 54. Okay, 27 into 2. 54 and recent value is 54. And in unary operator, we can do only the plus and the minus only. Okay, but if it is an arithmetical assignment operator, we can give plus and you can increment n number of values. Okay, but here defaultly one value. Here we can increment n number of value. And the same way here I am using plus multiple also I can write it. Here it is possible. But in unary operator, we can do only plus or minus. Okay. And one more program I will write it, minus I will do it. Okay. So what is the recent value here? 54, right? I'm going to minus 4. Okay. So here we'll plan a minus equal to 4. Okay. And inside this a minus equal to 4. Okay. So what is the recent value for the variable? See, minus 450. Now recent value is 50. So like that we can use the arithmetical assignment operator. Okay. So next we'll see the ternary operator. Okay. In H1 tag we'll write a ternary operator. So in ternary operator, we have question mark and colon. So we have two operators. One is question mark, another one is colon. Okay, using this operator, how to check the value in single line, we will see that. Here, I am going to write two value, okay, two variable value, dollar symbol a equal to 100, dollar symbol b equal to 100. Okay, I'm having two value and I'm going to check this value using ternary operator. So for that I need a result one variable equal to dollar symbol a is equal to dollar symbol b. Okay, if the both the value is equal, here I am using question mark, I need to print a value. If the both the value is equal, I need to print a value, else I need to print the b value. This is the condition and no need to write if, else, curly bracket, open, close and everything. Only in single line we can check the two number. And here I am using echo to print result 1. So what is the result? Dollar symbol res 1. So I'm going to print this result in H3 tag. So I'm going to write an H3 tag, start tag and end tag. Okay, just save it and go to the browser and here you can refresh it. Result 1 is 100. Okay, if the value is not equal, see, it will automatically enter into the false block. That is after colon, whatever the values you return, that is a false block message. Okay, that will print. Okay, so now I'm going to use the same variable value, but here I'm going to change a little bit code. Okay, so here see, if the this is a result 2, like that I will write it. Okay, result 2, this is a result 2 and here I need to print the result 2. Okay, and here in this result 2, if the both the value is equal, I need to print the message like both are equal. Okay, else both are not equal. Okay, so like that we can print it. Just refresh it. See, now the value is not equal, right? So both are not equal is printing. And this ternary operator will print the integer number and as well as string value also. Okay. So if I used 100, both are equal right now. So it will print both are equal. Okay. So in single line we can check the value. Okay. So again I am writing the same syntax. This is a result 3, right? In result 3, if the value is equal, I need to print 1000. Okay. Or else I need to print 0. Okay. So whatever the format output you need, you can write it. So I'm writing like this. Okay. So here I'm using 3. Okay. Now we'll see the result 3 output. 1000. Both are equal, right? So 1000. If it is not equal, okay, in that time it will enter into the false block. Okay. So 0 will print. 0 only I am having there. Okay. So now again I'm going to copy this and one more format output we will see, and here result 4. Okay, if the value is equal, I need to calculate $A plus $B. Okay, I need to add two number and I need to print it. Otherwise, I need to multiple two value $symbol of A into $symbol of B. Whatever the multiple values we are having, that I am going to print it in result 4. This is another format. Whatever the format you need, you can follow that format. I will tell you all the format here, right? And this is the value for the result 4. So see, I'm having a value 100 only. Okay, so it's printing 200. It's added 2 number, right? And if the value is not equal, in that time it will print 1000. So it will multiple that 2 number and it's printing the output. Okay, like this way we can write it. And then another format, just copy it and paste it here, and this is a fifth one, and if the value is equal, I need to print true. Okay, else I need to print false, boolean value. Okay, so now whatever the result we are having in 5, res 5, result 5, okay, it used to print it. See, if it is false, it won't print the output, right? res 5. Okay, if it is true, it will print 1. Okay, so otherwise it is considered as 0 and it won't print the false value. Okay, so there is no any result in that. So like this type of format we can use in a ternary operator. So now we're able to understand what is unary operator and what are the types we are having in unary operator and how to write the program, and arithmetical assignment operator and as well as ternary operator. Okay, and till this we covered all the operators. Okay, in next session we'll see the looping. It is one of the control statement, and we have 3 types of loop: while loop, do while and for loop. To repeatedly we need to execute any code, in that time we can use the looping condition. Okay, again and again execution or recursion. Okay, so repeatedly I need to execute some code na, in that time we can use loop. And how many types of loop, how to write the programs, we'll see that. And in that also we are using this unary operator, and you just go through this session and do the practical. Okay, and then only you can able to remember all the code, and you can able to write your programs in your own thinking. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.